Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini camera features. First, open your device's camera application. Look for the Gemini icon or an AI mode selector, often found near the shutter button or in the settings menu. Tapping this will activate the intelligent features, allowing Gemini to analyze your scene in real time. This easy method ensures you capture stunning photos with minimal effort, leveraging advanced artificial intelligence for superior results every time. One powerful Gemini camera feature is smart scene recognition. When you point your camera, Gemini instantly identifies what you are photographing, whether it's a beautiful sunset, a playful pet, or a delicious meal. It then optimizes up to 5 key camera settings, such as white balance and ISO, to perfectly match the scene. This means you get professional-looking photos with rich colors and sharp details, all without needing to adjust anything yourself. Another fantastic feature is Gemini's ability to enhance low-light photography. When shooting in dark conditions, the AI intelligently captures several frames in rapid succession, typically around 8 to 10 shots. It then merges these images, reducing visual noise by up to 70% and boosting brightness. This process results in remarkably clear and well-exposed photos, allowing you to capture memorable moments even when light is scarce, making every detail visible. Finally, Gemini offers smart editing suggestions after you've taken your photo. Once an image is captured, the AI analyzes its content and provides tailored recommendations, such as suggesting a specific crop to improve composition or a filter to enhance the mood. You might see suggestions for adjusting brightness by 20% or boosting saturation by 10%. These one-tap edits help you refine your pictures quickly, transforming good photos into truly great ones with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.